storm.
YouTube, I am back with another video, and today I will be taking my Demon Jeep to get a new exhaust. Little background story on the whole exhaust thing that's been going on with my Jeep. Basically, AMW 4x4 was partners with MagnaFlow, and MagnaFlow made them an exhaust that was specifically made for this Jeep and this Jeep only. They were having problems with the cats being blown, and that was happening to me. So for a little bit, I cut the cats out, and it's straight piped right now. And it is the most obnoxious sounding car you'll ever hear in your life. Like, it's the loudest car in here by far. It's way too much. And so that's getting changed today. There's a full-blown new exhaust that is going to be put in. This exhaust, America's Most Wanted's partnership with Stainless Works. Stainless Works makes an incredible exhaust. This Jeep will have a Stainless Works exhaust on it. It'll be a much cleaner sound. It will have a good rumble. It won't be as loud as what I have now, thank God. What I have now is just not it, you know. It's just not cutting it. Yeah, I appreciate all y'all for watching, and let's do it. That's me.
Oh, sheesh.
Real gas pump.
What?
Is it free gas from now?
I wish.
Contains lead.
Nice. Hey, at least you got the right attire on this time.
This time, yeah.
Exactly. Oh man, this thing is going to be so tame after that.
Oh man. Pull it. Drive the TRX. Alright. Out of my face. Where are we going? Oh, where aren't we going? We're gonna go to the shop. We got an exhaust getting put on the AMW 840. Right now we're in the TRX. Oh, that thing whines, baby. That's good. This is insane. That Jeep is huge on 42s, and this is bigger than it. Sometimes when I'm in my 169 horsepower hatchback, I'll do the whine. I'll be like, eek, eek. That's actually insane.
Stars on the roof like it's a Rolls Royce.
Oh yeah. Get it. Just another day with my TRX 101 Buffalo Custom. Casual. How do you get to this?
I got it. Oh shit, maybe I don't got it.
Oh.
So when you're picking stuff up and dropping stuff, you want to use your lower back
Straight back.
and like
Chest
a
up.
fast jerking motion. You
Yeah.
just wanna-
Yeah.
Right. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Good shit.
Hype shield.
It's stainless works, but it's obviously America's Most Wanted.
No way, bro.
It's got America's Most Wanted logo on it.
Holy.
A lot better than just piecing something together.
I also have to let that car cool down. So, do you guys just want to come back later, or?
Can.
Yeah.
Whichever you'd rather.
Yeah, I gotta let it cool down, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the ones that I sent you on the estimate. You got same one.
Sweet.
Okay.
Oh, I could bring the 170 over there.
He does want to see it though.
He does. Let's bring it.
Let's go. Look at that.
I'll take the GT3RS.
Hang on. I'm taking the 170. Dominic, I'm giving you the rights to my truck for this time. They drove it earlier.
Love it.
I probably should put my seatbelt on too.
Yeah, me too.
Probably a pretty good idea. I can't drive this thing if it's not dragged. Casually 940 horsepower without E85. With the 85, it's over 1,000 horsepower.
Tom said you Ubered the boys one time in that 170. Is that true?
I did. Yeah, took them to downtown Alpharetta. They got so many chicks, it wasn't even funny. I mean, it wasn't even funny.
Oh my god.
I just spun the whole way.
That's
The entire way. Is he even here?
questionable.
Oh, he's underneath the car. I didn't even see him. He's under the damn car. The old pieces, this is crazy. These are the old things.
You should race it right here.
Race it.
Yeah.
Who's racing me in this?
TRX.
In what? Yeah, if you think that TRX is coming anywhere close to this thing, you're out of your mind.
Yeah. Sponsored by C4.
I did try the serial killer.
No, he's not sponsored.
I did try the serial killer. That's the greatest C4 ever.
You want me to make you an ambassador for C4?
Yes, I do. Are you kidding me?
Is that why you've been getting the packages?
No.
No, I
was
haven't
insane.
sent him shit.
They hadn't sent me a damn thing.
Dude, it looked like a fucking tornado went through here.
It does look like a tornado.
My bad.
So much better. Dude, that sounds 10 times better than what it was before. That sounds incredible.
Yeah, that sounds way better.
Way better.
Dude, those V8s warm up so fast, bro. I just saw the temperature just keep going up.
Scared.
Way better.
shit.
He's like, oh shit, there's some dumpsters here.
It's fucking nuts.
Turn your lights on. This is a dirty lineup. Dirty ass lineup.
How do you like the new exhaust?
Dude, it sounds 10 times better than what I had.
Let me hear.